How to invest $1,000 safely, stocks and crypto for beginners. What if I told you that you don't need to be rich to start investing? And what if just $1,000 today could quietly grow into thousands of dollars in the future? In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest safely using stocks and crypto, even if you're a complete beginner. No hype, no scams, just real strategy. Part 1. What is safe investing? Let's be clear, there is no such thing as 100% safe investing. But there is something called low-risk, long-term investing. That means you don't try to get rich overnight. You don't chase trends. You focus on steady growth over time. Think of it like planting a tree. You don't expect fruit tomorrow, but in a few years, it can feed you for life. Part 2. Investing in stocks. The easiest and safest way to invest in stocks is through an index fund. For example, the S&P 500. This tracks the top 500 companies in the US at once. So instead of betting on one company, you're investing in all of them at once. Average returns are about 7% to 10% per year. That means $1,000 becomes $2,000 or more over time, without doing anything daily. Why it works? Diversification reduces risk. The economy grows over time. Big companies keep expanding. Part 3. Investing in crypto. Now let's talk about crypto. Crypto is more risky, but also has higher potential. The most well-known is Bitcoin. Important, crypto goes up and down fast. So the strategy is simple. Buy. Hold long-term. Don't panic sell. Smart rule. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Part 4. The best strategy. So how should you invest your $1,000? Here's a simple beginner plan. $700 in stocks for stable growth and $300 in crypto for higher potential reward. This way, you protect most of your money but still give yourself a chance for bigger gains. Part 5. Mistakes to avoid. If you want to win long-term, avoid these mistakes. Trying to get rich fast, following social media hype, selling when the market drops, investing without a plan. The truth is, most people lose money because they lack patience. Part 6. What happens over time? Let's say you invest $1,000 today, and you keep adding just $100 per month. In a few years, you could have $5,000, $10,000, or more. Not because of luck, but because of consistency. Start small, stay consistent, think long-term, because the earlier you start investing, the easier your future becomes. If you found this helpful, like the video and follow for more ways to build wealth. $1,000 won't make you rich overnight, but it can make you rich if you don't touch it.